Hey everyone, I wanted to do a video on what I think is going to be happening the next week or so in crypto. I think we're at a pivotal point right now, and it's important to talk about the investing side and also the day trading side. So check out this video now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm ETH Trader, and I wanted to give like an overview on how I see crypto going in the next week or so. I haven't really done a video like this. I've been focusing on coin by coin, but maybe we could get like an overview type of video going on. So let's do that. Just before we do that, I wanted to let you know about my trading course, helpwithtrading.com. It's right now free for all my subscribers. We have 400 subscribers right now to the course. It's giving a lot of value. It really gets you started to become a day trader from everything you need to know, including technical analysis, getting a broker, getting set up, having your trader's mindset, understanding risk. It's really a good value, so check it out, helpwithtrading.com. And keep on checking out my videos. I'm going through a lot of, my weekly Forex recap, and I'm going through coins day by day, and we're really building up some type of subscriber base, and there's a lot that I'm giving forward, so I hope you can check it out. Now, so overall, I'm seeing that, everything starts in crypto with Bitcoin. So let's just jump into the Bitcoin chart and you'll see what I'm talking about over here. So I'm going to start on the daily with Bitcoin over here. And I see that we are just like continuing to go down. At this point over here, everyone felt that was like at 32, the low in January, everyone felt that we were going to go up. And here we go. Finally, everyone who believes in crypto is just like, finally, we're going up. We're going to get, if we get past 44, we're going up. We're going parabolic and all that. We made a double top at a very significant point. If you look back here, that's a low. That was at 43. It really had a lot of, bullish power. Again, when it was support right there. We did break through, tested it. This is the daily, so these are like serious candles. And we didn't get all the way back to the low of 30.5, but we went up, and now we made a double top here, and we seem to be going down. And I think it's likely that we're going to continue going down all the way to here. So what I'm thinking now is, as far as an investor, you definitely want to, wait, because we're right now in a downswing and you could get a better price. As far as being a day trader, so we'll have to see what opportunities present us in the smaller charts, which we could get to a little bit later. So everything starts with Bitcoin, and we see with this double top on Bitcoin at a big resistance point, it's going down. Like, let's look at Matic. So Matic, you have this trend line over here, and one big point, the beginning again, and then again, we're at the bottom. So this week, that's why I'm saying this week, or maybe the next 2 weeks, is very critical, because we want to see right here what's going to happen. Are we going to, break through, retest, and go down? Or another possibility is we're going to bounce over here. Maybe we'll bounce, make a double bottom, and start to go up. These are all possibilities. We need to see how it's going to play out. If we look on the 1 hour over here, so on the 1 hour, we're still very fresh. Like, it just broke past this trend line. It's really nothing. It's just a couple of cents, and we don't know what's going to happen. So we need to see a lot more play over here, up and down, and then is it really going to break down, or is it really going to break up? That's what we need to define over here. But I think we're at a real pivotal point. You could see it also in ETH. Again, here's another double top, it was at this point of resistance, which we saw, is there's cluster over here. Again, we had that bullish wick over here. And then at this point, we came down, came up. And now again, we have this double top. So the market, the crypto market is bearish for sure for a day trader right now. And that means that if you want to get in, you're going to, wait till some type of a pullback and go back down and look for shorts. And this is very good, for an investor. If you're looking to put more money in, or looking to put in money for the first time, it's an excellent time to get in, because the market is going down and can give you a good price. To Avax, so I did a video last week on Avax, and yeah, you could see like I totally got into that trade over there. I was talking about this. Let's just go down to the 1 hour over here. You could see on that video, maybe I'll put it in over here, that I was talking about that we are either going to get stopped out from the buys at this supply zone, or maybe at this trend line, or worse comes to worse, at this dotted line. But if you're looking to day trade, like I'm looking to day trade, then this is what I'm seeing over here. We're approaching a major supply zone, and then we're gonna have that major resistance over here, plus the trend line. So there's a lot of reasons to short the market at that point. And we did have that, and then we had a nice bearish candle that just took us back. If you look at like the 4 hour, it was a big wick. Yeah, look at that wick, and you know, that's when I got in and got that 2-to-1 ratio, and that was an amazing trade. So what I thought was going to happen was totally going to happen. I didn't think it was going to go, you know, all the way up there and then down, but you know, you just play it as it happens out. But like here we are at the, you know, we're right now at this trend line, you know, and we're right here. So we got to see what's going to happen. We are at a major daily support zone over here again. We are on all these coins, you know, to BNB. Again, look, we're at the bottom of this trend line. Maybe you want to lower the trend line to here. Possibility. So we're going to go a little bit lower for sure. We're going to hit that. What's going to happen? You know, to Solana. Again, we're at the bottom. So this is what we need to keep in mind. We are at a defining point. This is a pivotal point right now going on in crypto with Bitcoin, with ETH, with all the other big coins, Matic, Avax. So, you know, hold your horses. If you are an investor, you know, hold your money, see how it happens, because it might go even lower, and just wait for the point. And if you're a day trader, we still need to see what's going to happen, because you know, the dust needs to settle. That's the point. The dust needs to settle over here, and that's going to be the big turning point in crypto. So this week, I believe, or maybe next week, is going to be a big point in crypto, because we are kind of bottoming out. But are we bottoming out? Maybe we're going to go even lower, or maybe this is the bottom and we're going to go higher. So looking forward to this week. I'll try to keep you guys abreast of what I'm thinking as it happens, and keep on following. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can see the next video where I do my analysis. And looking forward to a good week in crypto. It's going to be exciting. DD out.